Hello, and welcome to this week's Unity Community Collaborations YouTube Promotion Spotlight of the Week. Every Monday at 8 a.m. we spotlight YouTube channels we know that you'll learn from and enjoy. All the channels introduced this week have clickable links below the video. To access the links, simply click the Show More text below and use the links under the listed channels. Visit, subscribe, and like all the channels in this week's UCC YouTube Promotion Spotlight of the Week. Don't forget to like and share this video. The first channel of the week, selected by Robin Espich, is Done by Dorothy, owned by Dorothy Orr. I love using historical items for inspiration. I also love nature-based items. I'm a mother of 4 teenagers. I love gardening, crafting, and genealogy. My YouTube channel has a little bit of everything: tutorials, craft-alongs, and do-it-yourselves. I started working with digital designs about 10 years ago. After discovering junk journaling, I decided to create some kits, and ta-da! Here we are. The second channel of the week, selected by Teri is Sherry Dawn's Creations, owned by Sherry Wade. I love to craft and sew. I like to help newbies learn to make journals and everything that goes into journals. One day I hope to have a lot of subscribers. If you would like to be featured, subscribe to the Facebook groups of the UCC founders and list your YouTube channel on their YouTube list events. Each one you subscribe to increases your chance to be featured, as one site is randomly chosen from each list every week. Thank you for joining us with this week's Unity Community Collaborations YouTube Promotion Spotlight of the Week. We will see you again Monday at 8 a.m. with the next UCC YouTube Promotion Spotlight of the Week and even more excellent YouTube channels. The UCC founders are Robin Espich and Teri.